Bitcoin is at a decision point right now, and the next move could decide whether we see $72,000 or new highs. Before we talk about the today pump, let's look at the bigger picture. When we look at the wide picture, after a multi-year trendline breakdown, Bitcoin is now consolidating around 85,000, 95,000. Let's look at what we're seeing in the weekly time frames first. After the breakdown of this major trend line, Bitcoin is having trouble reclaiming it. Currently, this trend line is acting as resistance to price movement. Failure to reclaim it from a technical analysis perspective opens the possibility of a bear market. I highly doubt this due to strong fundamentals, but if a bear market occurs, the $72,000 and $54,000 levels could act as bottoms. Use these levels to enter or add to long-term Bitcoin positions. Not financial advice, though. Either way, accumulating more Bitcoin at these price levels could undoubtedly create generational wealth. The market is showing mixed signals right now, so we can't be biased toward one side. On the Bitcoin weekly chart, since 2023, the weekly RSI breaking above the MA band has provided a very accurate signal for the next upward price movement. Because we are seeing mixed signals right now, looking for short trades around the 10,400 levels seems like a good play against a bearish move. Let's look into the daily Bitcoin chart right now. Bitcoin is still consolidating inside this bearish flag in the daily time frames. Keep your eyes on this range right now. And at the liquidation levels, Bitcoin's price might start to turn downward after taking liquidity placed around $94,000. In a short time frame, Bitcoin looks very bullish after breaking this sell wall with a massive bullish candle at the US stock market opening. If the price comes down, Bitcoin needs to hold a $92,000 level to move toward higher price levels.